stuff, so it's super light. You put that battery on.
It also has a little stop, so it's not supposed to go past that stop. So when you lock it, and it has a guideline here, so you just line it up. That's locked, it's not going anywhere.
Double click and hold. So 1, 2, hold it. And instead of that light flashing or going all the way up and then showing the battery power and turning back off, the lights will stay on. That's how I know the drone's on.
That's an indicator for the Skydio itself that everything has been done on the bit test, that it is clear, it's good to go. It is talking from the hand controller to the actual.
Now you want to be very smooth with the controllers because see that's your battery life right there.
You got thermal too?
We got thermal, you just hit that button. Also there's a button underneath your finger right there, top one. That's your Sentinel dudes?
Yeah, that's our Sentinel guys right here.
There's a zoom on this side.
Yeah, it doesn't go off.
Oh, that's you got as far as it goes?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like an SF team. It's like
The altitude. Keep in mind, the altitude is from where you launched it. So if you launched it here and you go over there, obviously,
Oh, nice.
let it go. Yeah.
So you feel in your hands, flight, right?
So now you do your flight test. What it needs to fly back, how much battery it needs to fly back. So once you get to that orange and it's too far away, it's automatically going to come back. It'll give you a warning so you have to take battery low.
Yep. And your look around. Yep. And your right stick is your thrust forward. So up is forward. So that's your roll right. Roll left. Yep. Looks for it, aims it off the